Well. A Father's Day gift from Bloomingdale's, from Black Snowflake and Lyons. Listen, ladies, I greatly appreciate the love you guys are giving me. Y'all do way too much, but it's good to have friends, real friends, that love to just share the love. I want to apologize for doing this late. I'm sorry, I've been busy. Actually, I've been car shopping because we keep transferring stuff from car to car every time we go out. So we decided to maybe just get a family car, you know, nothing high end. Maybe I was looking at a RAV4. But hey, it's time to unbox. Thank you guys. Shout out to Black Snowflake and Lyons. All right, let's open this sucker up. See what we got. Oh, let me make sure I hide the packing list, because it might have some sensitive information, you know. And let's see what's in here. Okay. Look at this. Versace. I can't get enough Versace. You know, I love my Oakleys, you know, I love my Breitling watches, you know, but for those who don't know, Breitling it's just top quality, just like a Rolex. But Versace, yeah, it's nice. Thank you, ladies. Let's take a look what we got here. It's gotta be the shades. It's gotta be the shades. All right, let's see. Nice. Beautiful. All right. This is freaking amazing. All right, guys. Thank you so much for the love. Versace. Here, if I could get it as a thumbnail. All right. Let me just bring this over here like this. Thank you for the great Father's Day gift. Add to my collection, you know. And I can't thank you enough. Thank you. Black Snowflake and Lyons. Thank you so much for the gift. Later, y'all.
We're still cooking.